Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're talking about 10 YouTube channels to learn Blender in 2021 stroke 2022. So let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome to this channel. I'm Popol Absalam, and on this channel we talk about marketing, design, mindset, generally ways to help you be a better person as a creative and a business owner. So subscribe if you love this video and like before you start watching, because more people get to see this video and I won't mind if this goes viral. Please. Thank you. Okay, so the first YouTube channel I'll recommend is Blender Guru. The guy has helped a lot of people, and what you start with is a donut tutorial. He has a learning playlist on it where he teaches donuts, how to make a donut, modeling, sculpting. Like, it's the #1 channel to learn Blender if you're ever trying to get started. Yeah, you have to go to Blender Guru. Yes. He also has a chair modeling tutorial too. So I would recommend if you try that one, you should try that one as well. That's what I'm currently working on. My render will be out soon. So yeah, I'm also a beginner in Blender, or an amateur, I'll say. I'm just trying to help others grow as I'm growing. You know the vibe. TG Boost, he has an awesome Blender 2.8 tutorial. I'm sure you know now we're in Blender 2.9, but because this is 2 series, so the same workflow works for either 2.8 upward. So whenever I say tutorial that's 2.9 or 2.8, it works well. So CG Boost has an awesome tutorial on Blender where it teaches you how to make model an apple, a plate, a clothes, so many things in that tutorial. I suggest you try that so as well. I did it last year. I should do it again. The third one I'll recommend is Creative Serve. This is a friend of mine. He has a YouTube channel. He currently does mostly product animation. So where you animate a product in 3D and stuff like that. It's very, very good. To be honest, his tutorial has helped me a lot. I recently made a 3D animation in Blender of a Nivea product. And it helped me. It was from him. So I'll recommend you try that as well. It's also so easy to understand. Yeah. So the fourth one I'll recommend is CG Geek. He has an awesome tutorial on ice cream modeling and for Blender 2.8. So I think you should check that out. It's really nice. I haven't done that yet, but I plan on doing so soon. So definitely check it out. His tutorials are mostly not for beginner level, although it's explanatory, but it's kind of fast, you know. The guy's a fast guy. Now the fifth one I recommend is Grant Abbott. He has awesome tutorials on modeling, like in mostly this medieval theme, I guess. Not sure. Although he has this amazing Deadpool modeling, rigging, animation tutorial. So I suggest trying that out, because if you're interested in character development, this would really help you. So check that out. And note, please, I'm going to put the links to the channels in the description below, so you can check them out from there. And please, if you're enjoying this video, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be creating a lot. I just finished my exam not quite long, so yeah, more things for you guys. Another channel I recommend is Peter France. He has an awesome tutorial on Spider-Man, a Spider-Man scene in Blender. Yeah, I just checked it again. It is really, really nice. I suggest you check it out. It will help you a lot. Trust me. I've not done it yet. I plan on doing so too. I think there are a lot of tutorials to learn from on YouTube. So you just have to take it slow and choose the one you can vibe with at the moment. So now, CG Fashak and that tutorial I'll recommend. He has this awesome tutorial on the sword on the stone where the human being will be walking and stuff. This is a big, massive tutorial. I think you should check it out if you are into this movie production in Blender, because it's really nice and it's basics. Currently, I'm working on getting that too soon. I'm watching it, but you know, you have to take things slowly. So yeah, you choose the one you want to, but he has an awesome tutorial and you have to check it out. Even if you're not watching it yet, check it out. And that channel I'll recommend is Derek Elliott. Derek has a Blender channel where he teaches how to make cosmetics, phone, shoes. Like, his one is mostly a product build-up process with the animation and all. It's really helpful, honestly, really, really helpful. And I suggest you check it out. The sixth one is Doki 3D. Now Nathan is the owner of this channel and he has awesome tutorials, mostly abstracting, making a stone or making this, I don't know, retro nice animation look. I don't know how to put this, but his tutorials are amazing and they are most likely would I say abstract, because they are Unreal. So if you are into the vibe of creating Unreal blenders or models, this channel is for you. Honestly, you will learn a lot. Last channel I recommend here is Shotty. He has an awesome tutorial on Blender. He has an awesome Blender tutorial as well, where he teaches animation, character development. Not really character development, like a cute copy. Like his tutorials are mostly cute 3D renders that are like, oh, I love this. So yeah, something you should really check out. I'm sure you really love it. Now I know I can't recommend all the channels on YouTube, so I just picked out the top 10 that I've been using for a while now. We have learned some tips and tricks using Blender, and that's it. Yeah, there are other channels, there are other amazing channels that are teaching Blender, but these are the ones I prefer at the moment. So this will really help you as a beginner. So you could get started with this and also search for more tutorials on channels as you move along. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel or like this video, please do. It's really mean a lot to me. Honestly, I'm really asking you to do so. Thank you. So I'm going to be creating more content on my channel soon, where I'm giving you tips on marketing, design, and the like. So I'm sure you love it. So please do stick along and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on things I offer. By the way, do tag me on Instagram if you start learning any tutorial at @popsy or at AY Creator. Honestly, I want to learn with you and grow with you. So please, we could link up too. Everything I talked about today is linked in the description below. So definitely check it out and hope you learn from it. Thank you for watching again. I really appreciate you. You're really awesome.